Hi guys, so today for science we're going to continue our lesson on weather. So to find today's asynchronous science assignment, you're going to go to classwork. You're going to look for week of December 7th through 11th, which should be at the very top like this. You're going to scroll down and click on Monday, asynchronous science. And guys, please make sure that you read the instructions that I've placed and put right here. So first, you're going to watch the temperature video. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this brain pop video on temperature, and you're going to watch the video. After you watch the video, you're going to read the book Temperature in EPIC. So the link is right here. All you have to do is click the link. And it's going to take you directly to the book, okay, titled Understanding Weather Temperature. You're going to read the book. If the book is a little challenging for you, you can always click Read to Me. After you've read the temperature book, you're going to complete the flip grid. So you're going to click the flip grid link. And it says, look at the picture of the weather forecast. This is the picture of the weather forecast right here. Record a video describing the temperature for today, which is Monday, December 7th, 2020. So you're going to look at the temperature for today, and you're going to create a video describing the temperature for today. Make sure you use details to describe how the temperature feels and what type of clothing should be worn. So again, you're going to look at this picture of the weather forecast. You're going to find today's date, which is Monday, December 7th, right here. And you're going to look at the temperature. And I'm going to have you describe the temperature and what it feels like and what type of clothing should be worn on today based upon the temperature. And remember, you're going to click right here, the camera, to record your video. Okay? So guys, make sure that first you watch the Brain Pop video on temperature. Then you read the EPIC book on temperature in EPIC. Then complete the flip grid. So today's science lesson is asynchronous, so you won't be logging in to Google Meet at 2 o'clock. You will be completing all of your science activities and work in Google Classroom, okay? And I look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow. Bye.